All right. If you notice, where are our carbies and our throttle linkage? I passed the carbies.
Hi!
I passed the carbies out to Scotty. Easy peasy, eh?
Yeah, right.
Oh, well, they came right out. So
Sure.
I'll go out and
You've been doing that while I've been doing the generator stuff for how many hours now?
a little while. I got a lot of other stuff out. Linkage, crankcase vent, everything's bagged and tagged. Otherwise, all right. Let's go. I'm gonna go outside and show the carbies.
We're gonna do that in public?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then we'll come back in here. Let's get our belt out of here and get that shroud out.
Yeah. And start doing a little more teardown on the engine to get it ready to come out. I'm almost done with all of the generator and the electrical part of the generator. All I've got left is the fuel line coming in. We'll remove this fuel line, which went to the generator.
That's gonna go to a gas-powered heater.
Yep. This thing is gonna be so nice when he's done, man. I mean, like legitimately, I can't wait.
It's a lot of work, but
it is. But it's you don't see these anymore. You just don't.
Look at that.
And because of this, I'm actually looking at maybe getting one, like legitimately. I think it'd be so cool to have one.
Oh,
I really do.
Scotty.
I mean, well, you know, I like to travel and I don't get the chance to do it often. And hotels are so damn expensive now that not having to pay for a hotel, sleep in my own, quote, moving house, I can go see more sights. I mean, there's just so much I haven't seen that I want to experience.
Scotty, you don't take a hoe to a hotel. All right, I'm going to be out. I'll meet you outside and we'll look at the carbies.
Sounds like a plan. We'll see you in a moment.
Wow. See, I told you I was going to pull all those out. We'll use line wrenches on that, Scott.
That's why I'm doing it this way, because it's 10 times easier.
Okay. But if we leave them like that for now...
I just want to crack them.
Yeah,
God.
It ain't happening.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
That's why I pulled them out like that.
That's why you pulled out, what?
Yeah, that's rare, huh?
Yeah. But I mean, now you really can see how bad these things really were.
They were leaking.
Oh yeah, it just all over the place.
Hey look, I know we showed this already, but now it's a storage compartment for all kinds of contraband.
And
hey, Scotty, you can put your weed in there.
It's not illegal in California.
And you can put your black tar heroin in there.
That's illegal everywhere.
You could put your midget sex toy in there.
It's only going to be that big.
You could deflate half your blow-up doll and put it in there.
Oh, you mean the one that I borrowed from you?
Did you clean it out first?
Of course, of course.
Good. Well, you clean it out after. Anyway, all right, so I like that thing right there with the star on it is actually like a front license plate.
Yeah, it's kind of neat.
We'll show that. Somebody made a vent with a license plate. Welcome to the ghetto.
Yeah.
Anyway. So
I got a little bit more to go here to clean up and get things ready.
Yeah, and then next we'll do our idler / tensioner, our alternator, get our belt out of there. Then we can work on getting the whole fan assembly out. And we can start doing the cladding up top, get that done. Then it's going to be time to go downtown there, Scotty. Mm-hmm. Scotty likes going downtown. Mm-hmm. Yeah, baby.